How to add Telegram channel link in TikTok. So if you want to add a Telegram channel link in your TikTok, then open up your Telegram application and go with a channel, any channel that you're comfortable with. Once you're here with the channel, you can go for the profile of that channel, go for the upper side and go for the three dots which is on the upper right and tap on add members. Once you tap on add members, here you will have an option of invite to group through link. So tap on copy and copy the link. Once you've copied the link, now you can open up your TikTok. Once you open your TikTok, you can go for the profile which is on the bottom right. And once you're here on the profile, you will have edit profile option. Tap on edit profile. So let me tell you one thing, that if you want to add a link, then you must have at least 1,000 followers. So if you don't have 1,000 followers, then you won't be able to add a link to your TikTok. So if you want to add that, you need to have at least 1,000 followers, and once you have, you need to simply tap on the link and you can add your link or paste your link of your Telegram. So that's how you can add a Telegram channel link in your TikTok. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.